guys, Miss Charlie here with the August 2019 Boxycharm unboxing. I got this one early for a change. Last month I got mine late, or is it the month before? One of the months I got it late. So I got this one early, so I wanted to go ahead and get it out for you. I did see some sneak peeks. I saw some things I didn't want, and I did get one item that I was looking for. And then there was one in here that I've had a sample of before. I didn't really like it, but I have a full size of it now, so we'll try it and see. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this month's box. This is a monthly subscription. It's about $21, $22 per month. I'll leave a link below if you'd like to try it out. Not sponsored, but just in case you wanted to try some new products, you can subscribe to it and unsubscribe at any time. But we'll go ahead and get into this month's box. And here is the card. It is totally Boxycharm, really cute and pink. Not really into pink, but it's cute. And then on the back we have the products that we're gonna go ahead and review. So first we have this Steve Laurant lip liner. I've gotten a few things from Steve Laurant in these boxes. I have a lipstick, a highlighter, and some other things. It's a nice long liner, kind of reminds me of the Wet n Wild ones, the color icon pencils. It's long like that. And this is the color. It's a light nude, and the color is called Uptown. It's kind of a hard formula, not really creamy, but it's just a nice nude liner. And this retails for $15. And again, this is the Steve Laurant lip liner. Next is this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. And this says it is a multitasking beauty elixir, instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, no matter what skin type you have. It's pink, and there's the tube. The tube reminds me of the No Problem essence that we got in a previous box. They have the same packaging, same tube. Same tube as the Touch and Soul one. Both pink. This one's more pink, and this one's pink and white. I'm getting this all over the place. Oops. It's okay. But it's pink. And it's got a little bit of luminosity, but not a lot, because right now it's wet. But as I mix it in, from this side of my hand to this side of my hand, there's not much of a difference. So, but we'll play with it and see. And this retails for $42. So we will see how this works later on. Underneath makeup, I've had Wander Beauty things before. I had the mascara and I didn't really like it, but we will see how this is. And this is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This I was glad to get. This is the Tarte Big Ego mascara, retails for $23. I like trying new mascaras, and I go through them every 3 months and then start new ones, so it's always good to have a backup. This is a very bright pink with the gold writing. It's got some weight to it. And there is how the brush looks. It's a slight hourglass, not as deep, but we will try it and see how she goes. It says it is an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter up to 16 hours. And I like how it closes too. It closes and you can hear it click. So it's not just, you know, on there, it's on there. And this one is in the shade black. And again, this retails for $23, and this is the Tarte Big Ego mascara. These two glimmer shadows. This is from Ace Beauté, the Glimmer Shadow Duo. This one is in French Vanilla, and this one is in Huckleberry. And they say they are high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. And these shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. So here is French Vanilla. It looks like a ColourPop shadow. It's very reflective, very soft. Backwards. Let's see how it looks here. It's a little sheer. It's a little sheer, but it would be a nice topper, but it's really pretty and reflective. It's not like Liberty from ColourPop. That one is like tinfoil. And this one is the Huckleberry one, which is really pretty. It's like a magenta color. And that's pretty as well. Very nice if you just want to put this all over the lid and this in the inner corner, or this all over the lid and this in the middle. It'd be nice to eyeshadow look, really quick and easy. These are cute, so I will be using these. And these were from Ace Beauté, and these retail for $25. So I'm assuming this is, you know, it says it's a duo, so they come together. So $25 is a lot for these when you can get the ColourPop ones for $5 a piece. So you can get two of these for $10, and sometimes cheaper when they're on sale. So the price is a little high when you can get it at ColourPop, and ColourPop has, again, this color in Liberty, and then another color that's similar to this. I have a lot of ColourPop Super Shocks. I may do a collection on those soon, but yeah, you can dupe these out easily, but they're in your Boxycharm, so you're not paying that much more, since the box is $22 and these are $25, so that's kind of paying for the box by itself. But these again were from Ace Beauté. And lastly, we have the Becca Hydra Mist Refresh Powder. This is the powder that is supposed to feel wet when you're putting it on. I did have a sample of this from Sephora, and it was okay. It was okay. It worked okay. And I never went back for another sample or to repurchase it. But we have a full size, and I guess these come in colors, because this one is in golden bronze. So we'll see if that's any match for me. And there's the color. It's in a nice packaging. Of course, the Becca packaging, very reflective. You open it up, it already has powder in here, which I noticed when I opened it, which means it's coming out of this little area right here, but this is sealed, so that's kind of confusing to me. It's sealed, but it's coming out over here, so I wouldn't use this for travel, because even if it was sealed, it's still gonna find its way out. But we're gonna go ahead and open her up. It says, "Keep me closed to keep me cool," and you open it up, and then we're gonna take off the little seal here. Ooh, she comes up quickly. That's what she said. Try to take it off without getting it everywhere, because it looks like it's a very fine powder. So get that off, and there it is. It has a mesh in there. Try to get some of this back down in there, because it's going everywhere. Yep, it just goes right back down in there. Great. but it's a very fine powder. It doesn't feel cold to me at all. It's nice and smooth, and you see that from this side of my hand to this side of my hand. It's a lot more smooth. So I will try this and see how it is as like a finishing powder. Not a setting powder, a finishing powder. See how it goes. It worked again before when I had a little sample, fine. But again, when you close it, it's coming up through here. So it's not keeping it all inside of here. So when I see that puff, it comes right up through here. So it says keep me closed to keep me cool, but it still has this. I think that's why people are saying it's drying out after you have it for a few months. And I think this is, it doesn't say on here how long it's supposed to be good for. Oh yes, it does. 6 months it's supposed to be good for, and I think that's why it's drying out, because it's not fully closed. So again, this is open back here, and then when you close it, that little puff comes up, so there's air still getting in here. That's why it's even if you put the cap on it, I think that's why a lot of people are saying it's drying out very quickly, and because it's not fully sealed. But this is the Becca Hydra Mist Refresh Powder in the shade Golden Bronze. Items that I received in the August 2019 Boxycharm. Some things I'm very excited to have. This I will have to play with more to see how it goes on the face, but the other items I will be using. As I did a few months ago, I took 4 months worth of boxes, and then I did a tutorial using some of the items that I really liked. So that will be coming up. So I did January, February, March, and April. I will link that video above and also below. And then this time I will be doing May, June, July, and August. Those will be coming, that tutorial will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Also, I'll be doing a back to school giveaway. Follow on Instagram because it will be a YouTube giveaway. I'll be giving away some eyeshadow palette, I believe some lip glosses, some lashes, things like that. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you can be notified of when that giveaway is for back to school. Again, follow on Instagram. But let me know what you got in your Boxycharm. If there were some items you liked, some items you didn't like, if you got any repeats or anything like that, let me know. But I do thank you so much. Have a great day if you are going back to school. Good luck, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.